guys, it's me, Elena. Today I will be doing slime pet peeves. So as you can see, I have my slime. So now, first of all, we're gonna do when slime is too sticky. Yeah. Okay. Next up is when slime leaks. Alright, next up we're gonna do background noises. Sorry guys, it's just construction outside. Alright, that's my slime. And now I'm going to be doing just the container. Now, alright, that's it. Now we're going to do the room coat. Okay, now we're going to do alright guys, comment down below what you guys want me to do next, and I'll be doing a giveaway soon, so enter to that, and comment down below and subscribe. Thank you.